single. Express, Koregaon Express, as we call him, Mahesh Badkar. Very enthusiastic, loves to bowl quick and loves to pick up early wickets as well. He'll be looking to pick up wickets here, especially of the openers, Guru Prasad and Sandeep. So now Guru Prasad on strike. Sandeep gets a single and goes at the non-strikers end. That's swatted away towards the mid-wicket. Missed the timing part, just getting a single. They placed a man in the deep mid-wicket to stop the batters going for the big ones or stop the boundaries and sixes. So good start by Mehdi, back of length, good pace. Koregaon Express. Oh, just close, very close to the leg stump there. Once again, they are still yet to time the ball of the meat of the bat. All the three balls that they have faced have been inside part of the bat, and that's where they could not time the ball well. Oh, cleaned him up. That is the pace for you. Pace of Mehdi doing the talking and getting the bails out of the grooves. The first wicket going down, and his Sandeep goes back. Is 2 for 1. So here is the new batter. And Kaushal makes entry into the batting crease. Kushal, in fact. Kushal has to show his skills. That's once again good bowling, very good bowling, pace, back of length. He always bowls to the first over. He likes to bowl with the new ball. He likes to pick up early wickets, as I had already mentioned, and does it most of the time. He's got a little extra pace that always troubles the batter. And if he hits the length right, then he's going to be plenty enough for the top batters as well. Mehdi starts off well, 3 for 1 so far. That's in the air and nicely played. Very nicely played here. The bounce was there. Uppercut shot towards the third man region. Gets the boundary. And a good shot. In comes Anuj Kerkar, a very good all-rounder. Did pretty decently for 6 Super Kings in Goan Street Premier League recently held in Fathoda, and does well most of the times. He even does well in South Goa Premier League organized by GCC Fathoda. A very handy player and a smart cricketer. And that's wide, yeah, wide outside the off stump. And as a bowler, you should try and concentrate at least one particular area. Nowadays, batsmen are fearless. If you bowl them wicket to wicket in this slot, they're just going to swing it hard at any of the balls. So trying to keep away from the reach. away from the zone, and that's exactly the two balls bowled wide. Not a bad length, not a bad line, you can say, from the bowler Anush Kirkar. He is trying to bowl outside the off stump, so at least the captain can set a field for him. If the bowler is bowling on both sides of the wickets, it's very difficult for the captain to set the field. So idea seems to be right. Execution is a little bit odd at the moment. That's in the air, and that's taken. I told you he was bowling well, and that's the reason why batsman had to shuffle across too much, and that leg cutter getting the top of the bat, hitting almost the edge of the bat and going and scooping down towards the short fine leg region fielder. There's the second wicket going down. One for Mehdi and now one for Anush. For Kautani Aronda, they are 9 for 2 at the moment. Both the opening bowlers with this new tennis ball have taken 2 wickets. Going for the switch, that's a good shot. He knew that he was bowling the slow leg cutters, going the reverse way and getting the stakes. That's a very, very good start for the new batter. And I think this idea of going for the switch hit, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. I feel somewhere around 60% of the switch hits are not successful, but first attempt the batter is successful here, and just steps around for a single. Smart batting. It was a slower back of the hand, a slower ball by Anush. He has really made a ball of his own. Nowadays you require to have the slower leg cutters and variations as well. You need to surprise the batters. You just can't be predictable every time. Keep surprising the batters, keep guessing. And nicely bowled. That was the best line and length that he has bowled so far. Even that 6 ball was a back of length, but the batter was smart, went for the switch hit, gets him a 6. Good sensible bowling from the bowler so far, although the score has reached to 17. Anush Kirkar gaining a lot of experience playing in the big tournaments across Goa. Lovely bowling, lovely bowling. This is followed the batter. He knew exactly why the shuffle was. He was thinking that it is going to be a short ball. He wanted to take the advantage on the leg side. Anush saw the batter with one eye, wicked eye, and bowled it way in front, just close to his legs. No chance to lift it on the leg side. Sensible and smart from Anush Kirkar. Lovely bowling, good end, good finish to this over. Picks up wicket and bowls 2 dot balls to finish over number 2. 17 for 2. Super sixer Kautani Aronda. In comes Nikhil Gadekar. So Shubham and Guru Prasad, both batters have to try and resurrect this innings. We have witnessed already 90 runs in 90 plus. In fact, it was 93 runs which was staged in the pre-quarter finals by Ravalnath Nageshi against a strong side, against a formidable side of Shri Sports Devbag. So this is a belter of a wicket. Lot of hard work has been done by the organizers in getting such a flat deck. Absolutely nothing for the bowlers. Bowlers have to be smart. You have to have the slower off cutters, leg cutters, yorkers. If you don't bowl accurately enough, you are going to be taken for plenty of runs in Candid Boys Morjim tournament. The best of the wickets for any of the batters. Absolutely no complaint should be given. This is playing like somewhere in the flattest of the decks. That's a good bowling here. Good start by Nikhil. Is somewhere like playing in Bengaluru, Chinnaswamy Stadium. Even if a 250, 270 score is easily chased down by the side chasing later on. That's what people want. People want entertainment. People want big shots. People want good bowling as well. Chance of a run out and missed it. Can't collect the ball. Just was in a hurry to throw the ball. And that's why no run taken. So 2 dot balls here by Nikhil Kadekar. So the batters are certainly put under the pressure here by the bowlers. First time I have witnessed this in the entire day. We have witnessed scores of 90 plus chasing down. And here it's a very good start for RV Kurgaon. Right in the block hole, inside out. Man in the deep, going to restrict. No chance of a double there. And a pretty decent throw. The important part of throw is not throwing the ball accurately. Yeah, accurately enough 90% of the time you appreciate or acknowledge the fielder. But throwing the ball and releasing the ball quickly from the hands is always the best idea. Don't keep the ball in your hands. And that is exactly what plays in the minds of the batters, thinking of a risk over there. And many of the batters don't take a risk. This is in the air. This is in the air. Should be taken. And it's taken easily. So that's the end of one more batter. Third wicket taken here by the bowler. Nikhil takes the third one for the team. 1 each for every bowler and is 19 for the loss of 3. Super sixer Kautani. On the striking end. It's a very good side, RV Kurgaon. And they must be playing a lot of tournaments here, playing against many of the teams from Sindhudurg and also winning a lot of tournaments. So not the easiest side here for Super Sixer Kautani. And end of one more good over here from Nikhil Kadekar. Picks a wicket, just concedes 3 runs, 20 for the loss of 3 after completion of 3 overs. And in comes the Candid Boys over. So let's see. This over most of the times has been exorbitant and expensive for the bowlers. Batters have taken at least minimum 15 runs, 15 to 20 runs. Rajat, I have seen Kudarkar has bowled a pretty good over, especially against someone like Darshan Bandekar. Not easy. This ball just flies across. So let's see how this thing goes here for RV Kurgaon. This is once again in the air. Should get a boundary and one bounce. No, it's stopped inside. Yes, looks to be stopped inside. Brilliant effort. Really, really good effort. I thought I already declared it as a boundary, but the way he reached towards the ball quickly and jumping it and keeping the ball in play, just conceding just 2 runs. So good fielding effort. And the new batter, if at all the batsman goes back to the pavilion. Short ball. This is too short here. Pulled away in front of the wicket and goes long for 6 runs. जर तो येना जाल्यार ताका टायम आउट घोषित केल्लो वतलो. लक्षांत दवरात, टायम आउट घोषित केल्लो वतलो. सो टायम आउट जायनाकात आनी टायमा भितर क्रिजीर पावत. And this time is bowled wide outside the off stump. So Mahesh Bairkar bowling this over, and it would be a new thing here for Mahesh Bairkar as well. He must not have bowled in such balls in the previous editions. So pink ball is something new. Let's see how it goes. Oh, once again pulled away. I should get a boundary. Clipped away off the legs there. Ball racing towards the fence. Trying to stop inside, but ball still clears and goes for 4 runs. Good over here. Very good comeback over. Amit struck a 6 there and now a boundary. 33 in the 4th over. तशेंच जे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन्स हांगा टायमाचेर बादील आसात ते तुमकां फॉलो करचे पडटले. 60 सेकंड म्हळ्यार 60 सेकंदाच्या वयर तुमकां 1 सेकंड मेळपाचो ना क्रिजीर येवपाक. लक्षांत दवरात सगळे बॅट्समॅनाक. That's a good ball. That's good pace, good length. The earlier balls that he bowled was short, and Amit was already onto the back foot trying to pull the ball. And once you clear the infield, all the fielders are inside. Once all the fielders, 11 fielders, in fact 9 fielders, 1 bowler and the keeper is inside, you just have to take the aerial route. And most of the batters like to take the aerial routes and taking the risk as well. Another one, he tried to go the aerial way. Oh, unlucky. Absolutely unlucky. The ball was coming straight to him and the bounce, extra bounce going above the fielder, and 4 runs for the batter and 4 against the bowler. Pink ball turning purple over there for the fielder. This time once again a big slog, just getting inside part. Mehdi comes back very well. But pretty good over here for Super Sixers. Amit is looking good. Amit is looking confident. A 6 and a boundary for his name and a 6 against for the name of Shubham as well. End of over number 4 is 37 for the loss of 3. Super Sixer Kautani trying to come back in this match against RV Kurgaon. I'll take a break here for a while and change over the mic. Hand over to senior commentator Ashok Naik, sir.
चार ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ और 3 ओवर बाकी है टोटल अभी भी खेल और स्कोर हो चुका है 37 लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट. गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन नितेश कांबड़ी दिखाई देते हुए गेंदबाजी के लिए और दो बल्लेबाज है, दो चौके एक छक्का लगाते हुए अमित, और अमित का साथ देते हुए एक छक्का लगाते हुए शुभम। सामने से दूर वाले चोर से नितेश कांबड़ी अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर आगे निकलकर इस बार डाउन द ग्राउंड सामने उड़ाया, लॉन्ग अप बाउंड्री पर, डीप लॉन्ग अप पर गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर, सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया, थोड़ा सा आगे निकले और बल्ले के बीचों बीच इस बार डीप लॉन्ग अप पर हल्के से स्लाइस किया और कवर पॉइंट पर फील्डर गेंद को फील्ड करते एक सिंगल तेजी के साथ पूरा किया। दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने इस एक रन के साथ स्कोर पहुंचा टोटल 44 रनों पर। कारपेट के साथ खेला, इस बार ऑफ साइड पर एक अच्छा ऑफ ड्राइव, लॉन्ग अप बाउंड्री पर फील्डर और बहुत ही बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, तेजी के साथ गेंद को उठाते फील्ड करते एक रन इसी बीच में स्कोर के खाते में और जुड़ता हुआ। इस बार सफल होकर ऑन साइड पर बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर गेंद आती हुई बाउंड्री लाइन पर 4 रन के लिए। और इस बार अल्टी पल्टी की कोशिश, बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग, निशाना लगाया था नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड पर, एक रन पूरा किया दूसरे रन के लिए। बहुत अच्छी कोशिश थी नितेश कांबड़ी की, अंपायर को भी थोड़ी सी कसरत करनी पड़ी, लेकिन अगर गेंद स्टंपों पे लगती तो शायद कर भी मामला हो सकता था। बहुत ही अच्छी कोशिश थी और इसके साथ सुपर 6 कौटिन्य आरोंदा क्रिकेट टीम के 50 रन पूरे होते हुए टोटल हो चुका है 51, लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट। और शॉट ऑन पोल, गेंद हवा में, स्क्वायर लेग पर फील्डर, और इसी के साथ और एक कामयाबी मिलती हुई RV11 कोरगांव क्रिकेट टीम को। डीजे एक स्लोअर वन, अच्छी शुरुआत गेंदबाजी में, एक स्लोअर वन के साथ डॉट गेंद के साथ अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर अगली गेंद लेकर अनुष केरकर। शॉट ऑन बॉल ऑन साइड पर वाइडेस्ट लॉन्ग ऑन पर गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर, सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। मिले और बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट लॉन्ग ऑन पर और मिले 6 रन स्कोर के खाते में, सुपर सिक्सर। यह गेंद इस बार हाल ही में एक बड़ा ट्रॉफी रही थी और उस ट्रॉफी में 3 लगातार छक्के लगाकर अपने टीम को जिता दिया था वही खिलाड़ी मैदान पर बल्लेबाजी पर, और इसी बीच में वाइड बॉल के साथ 1 रन जुड़ गया और स्कोर के खाते में। अनुष केरकर अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर अगली गेंद लेकर दाहिने से ओवर द विकेट कमेंट्री बॉक्स की ओर से। बड़ा शॉट खेलना चाहते थे, गेंद थर्ड मैन पर फील्डर को बीट करते हुए स्लिप के फील्डर से बगल में निकली और गेंद चली गई 4 रन के लिए बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर। कल सुपर ओवर का मैच, कल सुबह के सत्र में 85 का टोटल चेस हुआ, आज 94 रनों का टोटल चेस हुआ। तो 6 ओवर में तो कितने रन बनाएंगे इस जो विकेट पर सेफ रहेंगे? इस बार बिल्कुल अधूरी हिस्सा लगा बल्ले का, भीतरी किनारा, विकेट कीपर ने कैच को पकड़ा और इसी के साथ एक और विकेट चला गया मैदान पर। सनम भंडारकर गए विकेट कीपर, सनम भंडारकर दिखाई देते हुए। आज थोड़ी सी कमी महसूस हो रही है, जो रेगुलर उनके विकेट कीपर टीम के लेफ्ट हैंडर बैटर अनिकेत देसाई टीम के साथ नहीं है, थोड़ी सी कमी, लेकिन उसी के साथ खेल रहे सुबह के सत्र में परी 11 रेडी क्रिकेट टीम को भी ग्लेन फर्नांडिस की कमी महसूस हुई, जो फिर की गेंदबाजी के लिए जाने जाते हैं और एक बड़े टोटल को चेस करते हुए मैदान पर देखा। और इसी बीच और एक नए बल्लेबाज मंदार निकलते हुए बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए। नए बल्लेबाज मंदार नाइक सफलता हासिल करते हुए अनुष केरकर। खेल मैदान पर जारी है, 6ठे ओवर का 7 ओवर का मैच है, आने वाला 1 ओवर अभी भी बाकी है इस पहले इनिंग का। स्लॉग से ऑन साइड पर मिड विकेट पर आते आते कमाल का शॉट डीप मिड विकेट पर और गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर, सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। 68 रन टोटल, 8 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर बहुत अच्छी बल्लेबाजी रही। 21 रन बनाए शुभम ने, अमित नाइक ने बनाए 28 रन। और अब 2 नए बल्लेबाज रोशन पेडनेकर और उन्हीं के साथ मंदार नाइक, दोनों बल्लेबाज एक एक बड़े शॉट के साथ। थोड़ा इस बार जाने दिया, वाइड बॉल का इशारा, ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर गेंद, एक सिंगल बढ़ गया स्कोर के खाते में। इस 1 रन के साथ स्कोर पहुंचा टोटल 69 रनों पर, टोटल 69 रन। छोटे गेंद हुक किया इस बार, क्या फील्डर को मौका बनेगा? जी बहुत अच्छी फील्डिंग, स्क्वायर लेग से लंबी दौड़ लगाई आगे और कैच को पकड़ा, सफलता मिलती हुई आरवी 11 कोरगांव क्रिकेट टीम को। और एक आउट होकर वापस मंदार नाइक एक बड़ा शॉट जरूर लगाया था 6 रन पर खुद के व्यक्तिगत, और टीम का टोटल स्कोर है 69, लॉस ऑफ 7 विकेट, 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर 69 रन। और एक नए बल्लेबाज मैदान पर जाते हुए आशीष 6 विकेट पर टोटल, जो कि यह स्कोर 69। और न्यू बैटर मैदान पर आशीष पेडनेकर। सबरेश अंतिम ओवर और गेंदबाजी के लिए प्रीतेश मुरडकर। लेग स्टंप से बाहर, वाइड बॉल का इशारा अंपायर का, एक सिंगल स्कोर के खाते में बढ़ता हुआ। स्कोर पहुंचा टोटल 70 रनों पर। आखिरी ओवर का खेल जारी मैदान पर। फुल टॉस गेंद, लेकिन उतना फायदा नहीं मिटा। और जब तक स्क्वायर लेग बाउंड्री पर फील्डर आते, गेंद को उठाते, फील्ड करते, एक ही रन जुड़ गया। एक फुल टॉस गेंद थी, तेज गेंद थी थोड़ी सी लेग स्टंप पर, लेकिन फायदा नहीं उठा पाए बल्लेबाज। और सामने आ चुके हैं आशीष पेडनेकर जो स्ट्राइक पर। 71 स्कोर पहुंचा टोटल 71। अच्छी गेंद, यॉर्कर लेन के सामने अपने फॉलो थ्रू में गेंद को फील्ड करते हुए, कोई रन नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं। एक अच्छी गेंदबाजी हो रही है अंतिम ओवर में। प्रीतेश मुरुडकर गेंदबाजी करते हुए। 7 ओवर का मैच है, थोड़ी सी ठीक ठाक है जरूर। सुपर सिक्सर कौटनी आरोंदा क्रिकेट टीम, लेकिन एक दो बड़े शॉट अभी भी चाहिए स्कोरिंग में। शॉट हम पुल करना चाहते थे, एक लेग कटर, टिप्पा खाने के बाद कट होकर बाहर की तरफ गेंद चली गई विकेट कीपर सनम भंडार करके हाथों में। कोई रन नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं। अंतिम ओवर का खेल जारी है और बहुत अच्छा ओवर चलता हुआ मैदान पर। तीसरा ओवर, जिस ओवर में बने सिर्फ 3 रन। बहुत ही किफायती गेंदबाजी की निखिल गडेकर ने। फिर से पुलर लेन की गेंद, एक सिंगल, विकेट कीपर जाते, शॉर्ट स्क्वायर लेग पर गेंद को उठाते, फील्ड करते, 1 रन और मिल गया स्कोर के खाते में। लेकिन जिस शॉट की तलाश है आखिरी ओवर में, वो अब तक नहीं दिखाई देता हुआ बल्लेबाजी में। लेग स्टंप से बाहर जाने दिया इस बार विकेट कीपर के हाथों में गेंद को। वाइड बॉल का इशारा अंपायर का, और इस वाइड बॉल के साथ एक सिंगल और मिल गया स्कोर के खाते में। टॉस जीता, गेंदबाजी का फैसला किया आरवी 11 कोरगांव क्रिकेट टीम ने। सामने बल्लेबाजी को मौका दिया सुपर सिक्सर कौटनी आरोंदा क्रिकेट टीम को। और आखिरी ओवर अभी भी जारी है मैच का। शॉर्ट पिच गेंद और अंपायर का इशारा वाइड बॉल का, और एक सिंगल बढ़ गया स्कोर में। 74 टोटल स्कोर। 74 लॉस ऑफ 6 विकेट, 74 रन 6 विकेट पर। खेल जारी है आखिरी ओवर का। दोपहर के सत्र में मुकाबला। ओ बेहतरीन शॉट मिड विकेट पर, और गेंद चली गई सीमारेखा से बाहर। सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए, 6 रन और मिले। नेक्स्ट मॅच श्री बोडगेश्वरनी त्यांनी काय नाव दिला, आर्यन पॅन्थर 77। फिर से एक बार मिड विकेट पर, इस बार एक बहुत ही शानदार शॉट, गगनचुंबी सिक्सर, और इस 6 रन के साथ स्कोर 86 और टारगेट है टोटल मैच को जीतने के लिए 87 का। टोटल 86 और टारगेट है 87 का। 87 रनों का टोटल मैच को जीतने के लिए। और RV11 कोरगांव क्रिकेट टीम की ओपनिंग जोड़ी मैदान पर आ चुकी है। सूरज गावडे आणि प्रसाद केनेलेकर। ओपनिंग जोड़ी लेफ्ट हैंडर बैटर है सूरज गावडे उर्फ भाऊ और प्रसाद केनेलेकर। और पहला ओवर पावर प्ले का गेंदबाजी के लिए दिखाई देते हुए सामने से रोशन पेडनेकर। अंपायर का इशारा, खेल की शुरुआत। लेफ्ट हैंडर सूरज गावड़े उर्फ बाबू स्ट्राइक पर। टारगेट है 87 यानी 87 रनों का टारगेट है टोटल मैच को जीतने के लिए। प्रसाद किनळेकर आणि सूरज गावड़े आणि बॉलर रोशन पेडनेकर। 7 ओवर का टोटल मैच शुरू का 2 ओवर पावर प्ले का, चौथा ओवर खिंडीर बॉयज मोरजिम चैंप्स ओवर। पहली गेंद हल्के से इस बार स्लाइस किया पॉइंट पर। फील्डर गेंद को जब तक उठाते लेकिन तब तक अच्छा तालमेल दोनों बल्लेबाजों के बीच में। और सूरज ने अपना और अपने टीम का खाता खोला इस सिंगल के साथ। RV11 कोरगांव क्रिकेट टीम टारगेट 87 का। स्ट्राइक पर प्रसाद किनळेकर सामना करेंगे अगली गेंद का। रोशन पेडनेकर दाहिने से ओवर द विकेट अपने बॉलिंग मार्क पर। ऑफ साइड पर एक लॉन्ग अप पर और एक डीप मिड विकेट। शॉर्ट ऑफ लेन गेंद ऑफ साइड पर खेलना चाहते थे लेकिन गेंद और बल्ले में कोई संपर्क नहीं हुआ। गेंद निकली विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। रोशन पेडनेकर गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। इस बार उड़ाया ऑफ साइड पर लॉन्ग अप पर। ओ गेंद इस बार हाथों से लगती हुई गेंद चली गई लॉन्ग अप से मारे का से बाहर। सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। कोशिश बहुत अच्छी थी लॉन्ग अप बाउंड्री पर लेकिन कैच को पकड़ नहीं पाए। गेंद हाथों से फिसले और गेंद चली गई इसी मारे का से बाहर। पहला बड़ा शॉट निकलता हुआ। शुभम आरोंदेकर जो लॉन्ग अप बाउंड्री पर फील्डिंग कर रहे थे और इसी बीच 6 रन मिलते हुए स्कोर के खाते में। RV11 अच्छी गेंद इस बार ढीले हाथों से खेला पॉइंट पर। फील्डर निशाना लगाया, शायद विकेट कीपर को भी दाद देनी पड़ी। गेंद को रोका वहां पर, नहीं तो शॉर्ट स्क्वायर लेग पर ऐसा तो बैकअप था जरूर। और इसी बीच एक सिंगल और बढ़ता हुआ स्कोर के खाते में। आने वाला मैच हो रहा है आर्यन पैंथर 77 साकवाड़ और श्री बोडगेश्वर गिरी। दोनों टीम चलिए कैप्टन आपकी टीम लिस्ट और टॉस के लिए कमेंट्री बॉक्स से संपर्क कीजिए। सूरज गावड़े लेफ्ट हैंडर बल्लेबाज स्ट्राइक पर। मिस टाइम शॉट लेकिन मौका नहीं मिला। थोड़ी सी आगे गेंद गिरी और इसी बीच शायद हिट विकेट और पहली सफलता इसी के साथ मिलती हुई। कैच का मौका निकला था लेकिन मुश्किल सा मौका था, कोशिश अच्छी रही थी। और इसी बीच हिट विकेट के साथ सूरज गावड़े एक बड़ा विकेट मैं कहूंगा जरूर खोती हुई। RV11 कोरगांव क्रिकेट टीम आपको 60 सेकंड दे चुका है। 60 सेकंड से पहले आपको स्ट्राइक पर बल्लेबाज को जाना पड़ेगा विकेट पर। बल्लेबाज आउट होने के बाद नए बल्लेबाज को 60 सेकंड से पहले बल्लेबाजी के लिए जाना है। तो स्वागत है आर्यन पैंथर 77 साकवाड़ क्रिकेट टीम आ चुकी है आपकी टीम लिस्ट के लिए और नए बल्लेबाज मैदान पर। साहिल आते आते इस बार अल्टी पल्टी पॉइंट पर फील्डर रन के लिए निकले थे लेकिन अच्छी फील्डिंग। क्या पीछे नंबर नहीं है जर्सी के नीचे? टोटल स्कोर हो चुका है 8 रन। 8 रन 1 विकेट पर नए बल्लेबाज मैदान पर आ चुके हैं साहिल। साहिल कामड़ी न्यू बैटर सूरज गावड़े के आउट होने के बाद और बॉलिंग में इसी बात गुरु प्रसाद दिखाई देते हुए जो खुद का पहला और पावर प्ले का दूसरा ओवर जारी रखते हुए। फिर से एक बार शॉट ऑफ लेन गेंद लेकिन ऑफ स्टंप से बाहर वाइड बॉल का इशारा अंपायर का और एक सिंगल अतिरिक्त बढ़ता हुआ स्कोर के खाते में। ओ बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट वाइडेस्ट लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर और गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर। सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए। शॉट ऑफ लेन गेंद ऑफ स्टंप पर लेकिन गेंद बल्ले में कोई संपर्क नहीं। गेंद निकली विकेट कीपर के हाथों में। शायद जिस तरह से हलचल थी मेरे ख्याल से लग रहा शायद गेंद कहीं ना कहीं बल्ले से लगे हो गया। इससे कुछ हलचल दिखाई दी जिस तरह से विकेट कीपर का रिएक्शन था गेंदबाज का रिएक्शन था तो बिल्कुल कुछ ना कुछ गेंद और बल्ले के बीच में शायद ऐसा लगा संपर्क हुआ था। आगे निकले डाउन द ग्राउंड उड़ाया उस बार ऑन साइड पर लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर और गेंद चली गई डीप लॉन्ग ऑन पर सीमा रेखा से बाहर। सिक्सर 6 रन के लिए।
Twenty-one for the loss of one after the second over is currently on, and Prasad Kunlekar is looking in the best of the touches. You expect him as a youngster to showcase his talent, and he is certainly doing very good at the moment. He's got the 50, and that is exactly where he has come to the notice of everyone. 50 in Panpara Gusgaon tournament, and played in Goan Street Premier League, played some very good innings for his team, and now has been a regular part of this RV Kurgaon team as an opener. Loves to play down the ground, loves to hit with the straight bat. Sahil now will be on strike. Shot of good length and pulled away easily. No pace whatsoever, and he's bowling too short. Ample of time for the batsman. You just knock it over for 6 runs. गांव. Has been a very prolific shot, which is giving quite enough runs for the batters nowadays. We have saw it in IPL as well many a times. I think Shubman Gill is the specialist in short arm pull shot. He hits it the best way possible with some style. There's so much of wind on this ground that the side screen has toppled. You can see the wind. It with lot of velocity, very intense. Sometimes even the mid-slam ball are going for sixes, and sometimes even a hard shot, if it is against the wind, falls inside the ground to take a chance as a fielder. So wind is definitely blowing with high proportions, and umpire saying, "Do off with this side screen. Let us play the normal cricket without the side screens." Now it's the old days. This time nicely driven, and should be taken just a single. Well, when Sujit Rani and Abhijit were at their prime, at their peak, well, I don't think so. They were going and scoring runs with side screens. Side screens have come in hardly maybe 7-8 years back. This time a nice piece of bowling. But by saying that, I'm not saying Sujit Rani and Abhijit are too old. They are still young by heart, and they are certainly doing a fabulous job in umpiring. But I have played against Abhi, and certainly when we are playing like those era 15 years back, it was not a matter of side screen. People used to just bat, and nobody used to go around straight up when the batter was batting. Pretty good bowling here from the bowlers. Very decent, just considering 3 singles of the first 4 balls. So Mithun Vaidya of Aryan Panthers 777 has come here, the owner of the team, Sakwar Village Panchayat. Full toss ball. That's such a loose ball, and I told you, that's a lovely catch. Good judgment, good balance, keeps it in play, and umpire saying, let's take the review. He was very, very close. Very close to the rope over there, and I think he has done a good job. But finally, third umpire has gone on top. Let's see what comes from the third umpire. Still waiting for the third umpire, and let's see We want to be absolutely sure whether it's a boundary or it's a six. Certainly taking little bit of time. So OUT, out is the decision, and the batsman has to walk back. Here is the replay over there. You can see there's very good balance. He was trying going off balance over there. He knew that he was going outside the fence. Keeps the ball in air and gets back. A wonderful camera work here from tennis cricket. This is exactly what is required. Perfect decision for the third umpire to make, and an easy one as well. So good fielding in the end, close towards the rope. Is sometimes not easy, but nowadays I think they practice a lot close to the boundaries, and that's where they got the second wicket. Prasad looking good, but perishes after scoring 21 runs. In comes new batter. Nicely played on the leg side. Looks to be Mehdi coming on top of the order. They have got pretty good batting depth. Anush Kherkar is there as well as a few batters still left in the dugout. End of over number 3, and the score is 33 for the loss of 2. RV Kodgaon. Now is the Candid Boys over. The pink ball over the 4th over. Let's see how much runs or how many they can get at the batting side. The bowling side got pretty decent enough runs. It is going to be a hit out over. Just try and go. हांगा गाडी स्ट्रेट कोणाची गाडी आसा ते रिफ्लेक्शन जाता मिरर. सो बायक आसा टू व्हिलर सारको स्ट्रेट बॉलराच्या फाटल्यान. सो रिक्वेस्ट आसा मातसो जी टू व्हिलर बायक आसा ती मातशी काडची. तो मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन पडटा. तो मातशे कोणाची जी बायक आसा तांकां मातशे विनंती करता, रिक्वेस्ट करता की मातशी बायक काडची, जेणे करून खेळ जो थांबला तो परत चालू जावपाक जाय. कारण जसं सूर्याची किरणां पडटा मिरराचेर, ती मिरराची किरणां अंपायराचेर रिफ्लेक्ट जाता आनी डिफिकल्ट जाता डिसिजन घेवपाक. बॅट्समॅनाक डिफिकल्ट जाता. अंपायराक फाट आसा, सो अंपायराक प्रॉब्लेम ना. थर्ड अंपायर म्हणटा आपल्या सायड आसा, सो प्रॉब्लेम जाता तो फक्त बॅटराक. तर पळोवया, म्हाका दिसता हांगा लोक क्रिकेटीचे मोगी रोखडोच आयलो आनी बायक सायडीन काडिल्ली आसा आनी आतां मॅच फुडले सुवातेर. पिंक बॉल केंडीर बॉयज ओवर. पळोवया कोण हांगा ही ओवर जिखता. That's in the air, should be a wicket. Bowler says it's mine and he takes it. So Mary's short stay on the crease comes to an end. Just goes out in trying to get a big one. Is 33 for the loss of 3 now. RV Kodgaon. So in comes Nitesh Kamble now. Powerful striker, big player, and this match is turning out to be interesting. We saw 94 being chased by Ravalnath against a strong team like Shri Sports Devbag. But at the moment, RV11 Kurgaon in under a spot of brother. 33 for the loss of 3 wickets. They have lost in form Prasad Kinrekar. The Medi short stay also comes to an end. And now comes Nitesh. Nitesh Kamri. You can see there inside edge. One more goes back. Just comes onto the wicket and the batter trying to go for a big heave inside edge, chopping on to the wickets and clean bowls. So knocked him over. Back-to-back wickets here for the bowler Harsh, and it is going to be a really good fight now. Plot and RV11 Kurgaon under the pump at the moment from the bowling unit of a super sixer Kautanik Aranda. He is on a hat trick, the bowler Harsh. Let's see whether he can pick up a wicket and there will be a cash prize of 1,000 for the hat trick. This is in the air. This should be hat trick here, and he's taken. First hat trick here of Candid Boys More Gym Champs 2024 going to Harsh and Super Sixers Kautani Aranda are coming back with a bang here, taking 3 wickets of 3 balls, and Harsh is on fire at the moment. Finally one ball landing on the sweet spot of the bat and going downtown for 6 runs. Aaron Toss deciding to field first, winning the toss against Sri Bodhgeshwar Giri. This time another one. This might be a chance as well. Might be the 4th wicket, and it's taken. 4 wickets. Goodness gracious me. This is an amazing bowling display. Look at the jubilation. They know that RV11 Kurgaon is one of the strongest side, batting deep, but they have taken 6 wickets. More than half the side is back in the pavilion, and more than half the runs are yet to get. It is 39 for the loss of 6 wickets. RV Kurgaon is struggling at the moment. And here comes Anush Kerkar. What a dramatic over this has been. picking up 4 wickets and just conceding 1-6 in the Candid Boys over. Sensational bowling. Nicely timed, played with soft hands, always intended to get a single. So that marks four. So 4 gone is 40 for the loss of 6. 47 runs required in 18 balls for RV Kurgaon to make one of the most dramatic comebacks to win this game. Very sensational and pretty good bowling performance from all the bowlers around, especially from Hurst. I think this is the best ping ball over that we have seen. Just conceding 7 runs, picking up 4 wickets. Everyone was waiting to see it. It might be very costly, 15 to 20 runs coming off that over. No, it was not. That's why this game is totally different. That's why cricket has been loved. What you think doesn't happen most of the time. And to make what you think happen, you have to convert your thinking into a reality. If you just think and don't execute, you will not get towards the target. You will not achieve the milestones. Think and believe that I am going to achieve it and do it on the 22 yards. Nicely bowled, very nicely bowled, dipping on the batter left-hander at the last moment. I just love the way of this combination coming up from Sindhudurg and Goa, because when we play municipality and panchayat level tournaments, all these teams of Goa, panchayat or municipality, they know each other very well. We are also certainly know how these players play against each other. This is India. I think he has timed it well. Crisp shot here, clean shot coming from Anush Kerkar, going all the way for 6. Fair delivery, says the third umpire, because the ball was dipping down when he hit that ball. And the score moves on to 46, 41 more runs required of 16 balls. So trying to bowl the off-cutters here, missing the target. Another heave, this time inside part of the bat. Might be looking for a couple, pressurizing the fielder, but he was up to the task. Just gets the single. So the bowling looks pretty decent at the moment of Super Sixer Kautani Aronda. Roshan Pednekar is bowling the second over. He has bowled the first over, picked up 1 wicket, and now he's bowling the second over, conceded 7 runs of the first 3. A crucial game. That's a fine piece of batting here. Good shot. 6 runs. They needed it badly. Coming at the right time. This over is turning the game slightly in towards RV Kurgaon. They're getting the big hits. They're getting the big results. Reaping the benefits of massive batting order. Batting deep down RV Kurgaon. And they are fighters. They will not give the game away easily. They will come hard at you and they will always go for the win. They are missing Aniket definitely in this game, but still they are competitive enough. Competitive to challenge anyone in Goa. And not only in Goa, but also in Sindhudurg. That's what they are showing here. Yeah, is the camp work here at the moment in full swing. Tennis cricket at its best, displaying you the best view. Nicely clipped away on the leg side. Just a single. Never intended to take the 2. They've got the runs. In this over. Sometimes it is very difficult when you have got just 4 wickets in hand. If you lose a wicket here, you lose the plot. But also you need to get boundaries and sixes. So it's a catch-20 situation for both the batters, whether to go for the big ones or whether to stay on the crease. At the moment, both are doing very sensibly. 33 required of 13 balls is the equation, which in tennis ball cricket is not that difficult. If one of these batters, especially Anush Kirkar, gets going, then things are very much possible and can make a victory possible for RV Kodgaon. I told you, this man, yeah, he just cleaned away his slog sweep and slugs it over the square leg boundary for 6 runs. So RV 11 Kodgaon are coming back strongly in this match through Anush Kirkar. That marks the end of over number 5. It is 60 for the loss of 6. So good match, very good game, and the last over was very costly. They wanted a pretty good over at that moment, but Anush Kirkar knows that this was the time that I had to go. Just cannot keep too many runs in the last 2 overs, and I think he was sensible enough. Picked the right balls to play his shots, got one full toss, then one slog right in the slot, and got it away for 6 runs. Playing well here, Anush Kirkar. Six wickets down, 27 needed of 12. Sahil still there. That's a good sign. Sahil and Anush, right and left hand combination. 27 needed of 12. A lovely shot, downtown and long as well. What a crucial hit this is coming from Sahil. Right in the slot. Now I think the match and the equation tilting in favor of RV 11 Kodgaon after that last over and the beginning of this over. They already fetched a 6. 21 needed of 11. So the equation is they need to bowl them out. They need to get them out all out. If they get them all out, then that is the only way they can win this game. Super 6 at Kautani Aronda. Otherwise RV 11 Kodgaon are going to run away with this game. They have got that batting depth. I already mentioned they bat deep down. Even the lower tail enders can whack the ball pretty well. So bowling side under pressure. Harsh has been welcome. How well he bowled in that pink ball over, the 4th over, picking up 4 wickets. But now that's inside out. Goes over the extra cover. That's a fine piece of batting. Quality shot. He knew exactly where the fielder was and playing inside out, opening the face of the bat towards the deep extra cover region for a boundary. 10 runs coming off the first 2. $17 required of 10. Well, now the pressure, you can see the moment in the, on the fielding arena. They know that they have to do something different. The batters are taking the game away from them. Something needs to transpire here for the bowling unit. If it doesn't, it's going to be a curtains for the bowling unit of fabulous bowling. What a reply this. What a reply. The best possible way to answer any onslaught from any of the batters. The block hold delivery, the Yorker, the Brahmastra of any form of cricket. Well, Bumrah does it most of the time for Team India, And here is Harsh coming with that beautiful Yorker. Still 17 needed of 9. Once again, could have chopped on. Now you can see after a 6, then a boundary, then a wonderful Yorker, then a dot ball. So things are happening. Things are happening both ways. So the match is sometimes going in favor of RV11 Kurgaon, sometimes Super Sixer Kautani, and this is turning out to be an interesting contest now. 17 of 8. Oh, slow downtown. Another maximum. It was right in the slot, or you can say the batter used the depth of the crease, going back behind close to the wickets and making it a slot ball and playing it down the ground, powered it away for 6. So 11 required of 7. It's the same scenario when Ravalnath of Nageshi were in a position where 11 were required of 7 runs, and then the batter hits the 6 of the last ball and 5 were needed of the last, and they get that 5 runs in the last over. So Ravalnath Nageshi have already entered by being in a certain similar situation. This is not timed well, and they just going to get a single. But in the end, it is going to be a pretty good over here for RV Kurgaon. They managed to save themselves and keep them a big hope in the last over. So 6 overs gone. 77 for the loss of 6 wickets. 10 runs needed of the last 6, and last 2 overs 37 runs have been fetched by this team and making RV11 Kurgaon, I think they are slightly up at the moment, 60-40 in favor of RV11 Kurgaon. So 10 to save. 10 to save themselves to stay in this big tournament of Candid Boys Morjim. Can they save themselves? I think 10 is a very difficult ask for the bowler, especially on a flat wicket like this one. There's hardly anything for the bowlers. You can just swing your bat, stand and deliver from where you are. So things are not easy. Let's see whether they have got a fighting spirit and they can make a comeback. And let us see, yes, that has gone on top of the wickets there. He thinks that that's a wide. He has shuffled across on the offside. The ball has gone on top of the wicket, missing an opportunity of a boundary on the 6. There is no review for the wides. There is review only for above waist no ball, or above shoulders no ball, or if you feel that it's a boundary or a 6 or a run out or a stump. Wide is the decision of the umpires. 10 needed of 5. So 10 needed of 5. A lovely bowling right in the block hole. It's bowling well there. First 2 balls just costing 1 run. Interesting and very intriguing game. I'm just loving the way the bowler is still keeping his nerves calm here. You require to keep your composure. Whatever the situation is, the one who keeps the composure in a situation like this always turns out to be winner. Not only for the bowler but also for the batter. You should wait for your opportunity at the right time. Don't try to hurry in your shot. Don't try to think that I have to go down the track or I have to play an early shot. Wait for the ball to come to you for a batter or the bowler. You need to see at the last moment what the batter is doing, whether he is using the depth of the crease. All sorts of positioning is very important to position yourself for the victory in the last leg. 10 needed of 4, a crucial time here. These 2 balls, I think these last 2 balls, the 3rd and the 4th ball is going to be very, very important in this contest. Ah, short ball. He bowls his shot, and Anusha pulls it away in real flair, real glamour, and real touch. Defender but lost a sixth wicket, and a crucial and a match-winning partnership. 3 needed of 3. Wonderful game of cricket. Went right down the wire. It's exactly the entertainment and the blockbuster that we require. And Anusha hits it down the leg side towards the square leg. Might be looking for a couple. No, there was just a single. So 2 needed of 2. 2 needed of 2. That should be a dot ball to make the match interesting. But here Sahil will think I'm timing it better. He will certainly go for the big one. He will try to get at least a boundary of this ball and finish it off. Sometimes these last ball games are very, very tricky. Even the full toss ball has been missed and hit away straight to the fielders as catch, or the batters missing totally hitting the ball. Pressure is there. Nerves are always on the top in a match like this one. 2 of 2. Ayush. That's nicely tried, very nicely played. Might be looking for a couple. There's just a single. There is just a single. They might be looking for no one. There was never a second. Missed by the keeper. Now 1 needed of 1. Look at the fielders there. They are so much close. Very, very close to the batters in front of his eyes. Very much in front of his eyes here at the moment. And if it is a tie, it is going to be a super over. Oh, can we see a super over here? Any result is possible. A win, especially the 2 results are possible. A super over or a win for RV Kodgaon. Anush Kerkar on strike. One of the best games that we have witnessed here. Ayush, can he give a life here to a super sixer Kautani? Can he bowl a dot ball? Here comes Ayush to bowl to Anush. Oh, that's out. That is out. That's going to be super over. Oh, Anush can't believe his eyes. He was shuffling across on the offside. That was plumb in front of the wicket. It was hitting his legs, and now we have to go for the super over. Super excitement and super thrill continues, and Ayush means life, and he has given a life to a super sixer Kautani of Aronda. A great game of cricket and a scintillating stuff here. Witnessed a lovely game, and finally cricket